Yo. Okay. Okay. Hello? 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 Yeah, guys, so I'm here at my apartment. Oh my gosh. Dude, the alarm just went off. I swear I saw something walk right down there. What was that? Hello? Is it the evil nun? Oh my gosh. Better not be the... Oh my gosh! Is it the evil nun? Could it be? Ah! I better get inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lock all the doors. Lock the door! Dude, seriously. I think the evil nun broke into our house. No, I mean our apartment. No joke. Literally, I just heard the alarm go off. Literally, I just heard the alarm. Hopefully it's not the evil nun.